Hey, Steve Gardner coming at you from eXp Realty. Hey, this week's KV Corner, Kvcore, it's a little play, KV Corner tip sheet. Just for all you Kvcore users out there, that's the CRM website, and that's what I use, and that's what a lot of EXPers agents have included in our membership. There's some things I wanted to just go over with you as far as some tips. I'm going to try to do this once a week. I've been kind of behind on doing some training. But anyway, so wanted to show you something. Make sure you guys are all aware of it that I noticed. Just logged in the other day, and they've got now, Kvcore is switching over to a new look, a new dashboard. So you can play with it. I have been trying to use it. It's not too bad. It's similar, but what's really nice about it is when you switch on over to the new Kvcore, I like the way if you enter in a contact now, it's a lot easier to enter in someone new or get their information. So for instance, you can go to add a contact, and now the drop-down boxes are way bigger. Okay, a lot easier to put addresses in, more information about them. Before it was kind of a small little area, so I do like that improvement. Also, I also wanted to make sure you guys are aware. I have a lot of people asking me questions about this or that in Kvcore. You know, they do have a learning portal right over here, down at the bottom, so you can click on that, and it will launch to the actual Inside Real Estate Company, which will you go up to Find Courses, and it's amazing. You can just pick Kvcore agent, and there's all kinds of classes and courses on Kvcore. I suggest you look at them. They're free. It's really, really interesting and really, really helpful information to use. But anyway, I just wanted to go over that real briefly with you guys, just to let you know that they do have a new look that's out, and you can go back and forth, and you can switch back and forth from the original right here. I go back to the classic version and into the new. So anyway, hope this was of use. Until next time, take care. Adios.